Hello friends, Satyendra here. So you're watching my CAD videos from long time. Now if you are looking for the online training classes one-to-one for cryoparametric anywhere in the world, then you can contact me through my email ID, which is email2cadx@gmail.com. You can even contact through my WhatsApp number and I'll give you all the details related to this training. Thank you.